Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 219 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today, we're focusing on something beautifully small. Having just one moment to yourself. When everything feels like too much, it's okay to pause and return to only this breath and only this heartbeat. Let's begin by taking a gentle breath in and slowly release. Notice this one breath. Notice this one space and let it be enough. You don't need to solve, fix, or reach. Just be right here. Now, say to yourself, this moment is enough. I am present with myself, and I give myself permission to just be. Let that simplicity hold you. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the room and carry this moment of peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.